Alright, let's see what we can uncover here. Alright, nothing coming out of there. Alright, 9/16 is the size. And we can see the 3 injectors connected with this crossways connector. As soon as I'm going to pull that up, I better take this off. This is 7/16 by the look of it. I think I gave it a bit too more gusto. Let's go a bit softer this time. The other one got launched like Thunderbird 1, if anyone remembers back that far. They're not wedged in there like I thought they were. It's just getting the right way out. Here we go. Come on, Johnny, you're making it look difficult. And it ain't. It's just that they've been in there a while. There we go. Bang, clang, everything falls down. I'm making sure I remember which injector went in a which hole. Number 3, or the rear injector, I'm a bit different to everybody else. It goes front, centre, rear. That way I can't count backwards. If you get my gist. Okay, 1/2 inch. I've got it here on the socket. And so on. Wow, what on earth does all that mean? So there's lubrication on there. Remember, I've drained the oil from the motor, but I'm just letting you know. So interestingly, that moves, that one, that's tight as. Not sure if that means anything to me. That moves, that moves. Now, according to the manual, I've got to undo all these, I think they call them head nuts. It talks about an order, which I think it's more important when you're putting it back on. Alright, we'll see how that goes. Two of those cross bars have a teensy-weensy amount of movement. Guys, before I remove the rocker, I'm glad I read the book. It says disconnect this small oil feed pipe. Can you see that nut, if you want to call it that, there? Because the pipe goes like that under here, and it's part of this part here. So I'm glad I saw that, or I'd be pulling and probably break it. So I'm going to undo that, and God knows what's going to happen then. Not sure about these three. It'll be a work in progress. Wish me luck. So 7/16 for this. So far I'm happy. A lot of these things are coming off pretty good. So if they're saying it's an oil pipe, one would gather oil runs back and forward through it, lubricating this system. Alright, we'll undo that. So these three, 1, 2, 3, I told a lie, 4 are next up from half, which is 9/16, I presume. So I'm going to undo those 4. I hope I don't muck around the valve clearances. If I do, I'm going to learn a lot when I put it back together. Like this, do that. Just by way of explanation, can you see here that first one, or at the back, was actually a bolt, and here there were nuts with washers. Okay, and I've put them all in order in a box. Alright, so I've undone that. Looks like everything's put. I'm not going to touch any of this stuff here. You can see dollops of oil. What's going on here? Yeah, just steady she goes. I'm not going to put a jimmy bar or anything in there. If I just pull evenly, it should come off. Getting there. Just these two to go. Well, when you're doing this for the first time, it's pretty nerve-wracking. And that's me right now. Okay, I believe that's called the rocker. I can't get this wrong when I put it back, because the oil feed pipe tells me that's to the rear. Very good.